Children's. Today we are going to start the new lesson. The new lesson, that is LCM and HCF. Okay, LCM and HCF. So first of all, what is the meaning of HCF? HCF. From these three letters, it is a short form of H for highest. It is the highest, C for common, and F for factor. F for factor. So HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. And LCM means L for lowest common, M for multiple. In this way, it is the short form of LCM and HCF. So, first of all, which is the smallest prime number is the question for us. So, before that, let's understand prime numbers. Okay. So, which are the prime numbers? The numbers which are present in its own table only. Okay. The numbers which are present in its own table only, or divisible by itself only, or the numbers which are divisible by itself only, those numbers are called as which prime numbers. Okay. In 1 to 10 inside, 1 to 100 inside, 1 to 100 inside, totally 25 prime numbers are there. I think last year it was there for you in 600, but then also for the revision you just write the 1 to 100 numbers as you are writing in first standard or LKG UKG, 1 2 3 4, in that way. 1 2 3, this is the activity you have to do today. 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. In that way you have to write till 100 all the numbers. Okay. And then afterwards you have to circle the numbers from this, which numbers are present in its own table or they are not divisible by any another number. For example, 2. If you think about the 2 is present in only 2's table only. 2 ones are 2. And one more thing is there you have to keep in your mind, that is the 1. One number is not a prime number, not a composite number. Okay, because every table inside 1 is present, because 12 ones are 12, 3 ones are 3, 19 ones are 19, 11 ones are 11, whatever is there. So, and 1 is present, means in this way 1 is not a prime and not a composite numbers. Composite numbers means which are the numbers. Prime numbers means the numbers which are present in its own table or divisible by itself only. And the remaining students, those numbers which are not prime numbers, those are called as a composite numbers. Okay. So from this 1 to 100 you have to find out the numbers which are a prime numbers. So for example, just I am telling to you how to find it. Okay. So here first prime number is the 2. Okay. And here you have to circle the numbers which are prime. Prime means numbers which are divisible by itself only. 3. If you think about the 3, 3 is present in 3's table only. Okay. Next 4. 4 is present in. So here I took 1 to 100 numbers. Okay. For understanding. Here it is written in this way. Means it is horizontal. The lines are horizontal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. In this way written. So what you have to do, you write in vertically or horizontally. You have to circle those numbers. You have to circle those numbers which are present in its own table only. So just now I told you that 2 is present in its own table only. Then 3 is present in 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay. Next it is the 4. So 4 is present in 4 ones are 4. Then 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Means it is present more than one table, so it is not a prime number. So it is which type of number? It is a composite number. Next number is we will take as a 5. So So 5 is present in 5's table only. 5 ones are 5. So circle it. Then next it is the 6. Next number is the 6. If you think about the 6, you will notice that 6 is present in which table? 6 is present in 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So 6 is present in more than one table. Next number, so it is a composite number. Next number is a 7. If you think 7, 7 is present in 7's table only. Which table? 7's table only. So 7 is a which number? 7 is a prime number. Next, if you see 8, 8 is a composite because it is present 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8. More than one table it is present. 9, 9 is present in 9 1s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so more than one, so it is a composite number. Next number is a 10. 10 is present in 5, 10 1s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so more than one table it is present, so it is a composite number. So what you have to do today, you have to circle those numbers which are present in its own table only. Okay, so here I am going to show you the numbers till 20. So 11 is present in 11's table only. 12 is a composite number. 6 2s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So it is a composite. Next number is a 13. 13 is a prime number. 14, 7 2s are 14, 2 5s are 14, 14 1s are 14. Okay, then 15, 3 5s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Then next 15 1s are 15, more than one table. 16 is also same, 4 4s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 8 2s are 16. So it is present in more than one table. And then next 17, then next is the 19, then next is the 23. These are the numbers which are till 25. I told you at first till 20 I will tell you, but till 25 how many lessons? 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 29. Means you have to find out, circle those numbers which are a prime numbers, then you will understand this is the prime numbers, and that numbers you have to note down. So 2, so which are the prime numbers? 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 and 23 till 20. Till 100 you have to now find out the numbers from this table, and you are going to send me. Okay, then tomorrow I will tell you which numbers are there, or now you will understand. Otherwise, if in next lecture inside, means if I will continue and the prime numbers will come, then you have to first stop the video, find out the prime numbers, and then just continue to watch the lecture. Okay, so now we seen the prime numbers. Which prime numbers we seen? That is 2 3 5, 2 3 5 7 11 13 17. So inside it, which is the smallest prime number? So 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. Next, list the prime numbers from 1 to 50. We have to note down the prime numbers from 1 to 50, and how many are they? This you have to do the activity. Till 25 I told you, that is the 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23. Okay, next numbers you find, and how many are there, just you have to write for this question. You have to complete this. Next question is the circle the prime numbers from below. Once you find the prime numbers from 1 to 100, this question is easy for you. So we have to circle the prime numbers. So which are the prime numbers here? 17, then 3, 1 is not a prime nor a composite number, so next number is 2, 23, then 9 3s are 27, it is present in more than one table. 41, 43, then 58, 72, 79. Okay, and 97. Okay, these are the prime numbers from the list given below. You have to circle this. Next, it is the co-prime numbers. Prime numbers once you understand. So next point is the co-prime numbers. So which are the co-prime numbers? The numbers The two numbers which have only one as a common factor is said to be co-prime number. Relatively prime and mutually prime numbers are also what happens, we are included in the co-prime numbers. So first of all, let us take the example. So here example 10 and 21 are co-prime numbers. So here you will say that, teacher, you told me that the prime numbers means which number? The numbers which are present in its own table only. But here the numbers they gave, word co-prime is there, and here 10 and 21 they told you here these are the co-prime numbers. But 10 and 21 are not a prime numbers. So the co-prime numbers, the definition is different one. Here not written that the prime numbers which are, you know that prime numbers are present in its own table only. Okay, so they are not present in any another number. So one is the common multiple in between them. So here 10 and 20, 10 and 21. Inside it 10 stable inside 21 is there, or 21 stable inside 10 is there? No. Is there any common multiple for this 10 and 21? No. So these numbers are called as a co-prime numbers. So you can take any number, 40, 41, 40, 41. It may be prime or it may be not a prime. Then also these are the called as a co-prime. These are co-prime numbers. There is no common factor instead of 1. So these are the co-prime numbers. Next is the, for example, 10, 21 are co-prime because, reason it is given, because the divisors are, which means 10 is present in which table? 10 is present in 1, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 10. And 21 inside 1, 1 is the common for all. Then it is 3, then 9, 7, sorry, it's 9 not 7 and 21. If you see here, nothing is common except 1, nothing is common. So such a pair of numbers is called as a co-prime numbers. Okay, now the next, some other co-prime numbers are 3, 8. How 3, 8? I will tell you. 3, so 3 and 8. So 3's factor are 1, 3 and 8's factor are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So if you see here, 1 is only the common number in these factors, and that's why they are the co-prime numbers. Next is the 4, 9. 4, 9. So 4 and 9 inside. 4. 4's factors, 4 is present in which table? So the factors are 1, 4. 1, 2, 4. 2 and 4. 9's 1, 3, 9. So nothing is common except 1. That's why this is the pair of co-prime numbers. 21, 22, 23, 22, 23, 24. These are the pairs of what? Co-prime numbers. And one more thing is that the numbers which are consecutive, for example 21, 22. Then 22, 23, 23, 24. Means consecutive natural numbers are co-prime numbers, that we have to keep in your mind. Okay. The next point is the twin prime numbers. Next point is the twin prime numbers. So what are the twin prime numbers? First, here we have to consider prime numbers. But for co-prime numbers, it is not necessary to the numbers is the prime or whether the numbers are not a prime numbers. So first of all, so here, if the difference between two prime numbers is 2, just now I told you the prime numbers in between 1 to 25. So I will note down some numbers here. Here I will write that numbers. So first number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 13, 17, 19 and the 23. Okay. Till 25 I told you how to find out. 23. Next number is 29 and 31. 29 and 31. Okay, this why I will tell you 29 and 29 and 31. These are the prime numbers. Till 31 I wrote it here. Okay. So what you have to do here, you have to check the difference between the two prime numbers. What is the difference between 2 and 3? It is 1. Wait, I will write these numbers in a particular manner. 1 minute. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, then next 19, 23, then 29, 9 and 31. Now what we have to do here, we have to check the difference between, so 2 and 3, how much is the difference between them? 1. So don't take. Now 5 and 3, what is the difference in between them? The difference is 2. Next, if you see here 5 and 7, if you see here 5 and 7, here also the difference between 5 and 7 is how much? It is 2. 5 and 7's difference is also how much? 2. Next 7, 11, how much is 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, means 4's difference is there. Next we have to choose the number which have the difference 2. So 13 minus 11, how much? 2. 17 and 13 inside, how much difference is there? 4's difference is there. So just don't take that pair. Next pair is the 17 and 19. Next pair is the 29 and 31. If you see here, you will notice that the difference between these two pair of prime number is 2. So what is the definition of twin prime numbers? The prime numbers in a prime series of prime number, if a difference between two consecutive prime number is 2, then these are called as a twin prime numbers. So which are the twin prime numbers here? Twin prime numbers. So which are the two twin prime numbers? First pair is 3, 5. Okay. Second pair is 5, 7. Third pair is 11, 13. Fourth pair is 17, 19. And the till 25 I told you. And the last pair is here, that is the 29, 31. So if you see here 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 13 minus 11, 2, 19 minus 17, 2, and 31, 29 also difference is 2. So these numbers are called as a twin prime numbers. Clear this concept for you? Okay. Now note down this all. Now here is the exercise related practice set number 10. Practice set number 10. So you have to complete this practice set number 10 today. Okay, because same questions are there. Find the which number is there not prime nor neither prime and nor composite. Answer is which I told you, 1. You have to decide that which are the co-prime numbers from the given below. Here that also I told you. List the prime numbers from 21 to 25 to 100. Okay, I told you to solve this in 1 to 100 only. That only inside you will complete this question. Then twin prime numbers you have to find between the 51 to 100. How to tell? Find it, I told you. Whose difference is to those. Otherwise watch the video, revise the video and watch it again. 5 pairs of twin prime numbers you have to find from 1 to 50. Just now I told you. And which are the even prime numbers. So find all the numbers and find out which is the even prime number. So if you see here, you will notice that there is only one even number which is prime, that is 2. So today we are going to stop here only. The next part of the lesson we will see in our next lecture. So okay, thank you and have a good day.